Hello.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
Yes,
Shall we start, sir?
yes, madam. Yes, you can.
Yes. हीच आमची प्रार्थना आणि हेच आमचे मागणे, माणसाने माणसाशी माणसासम वागणे. Let us start this inaugural function with this evocation to the Almighty. A very good morning to honorable dignitaries, parents, and dear students. I, Ms. Pallavi Bouquet, welcome you all on the occasion of first year inaugural program at VPKBIT Baramati to witness the start of the journey of first year students, as it is the most important milestone of their career. Dr. Abdul Kalam said, learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. The purpose of this inaugural program is to make students and parents aware about the first year academic activities which will be conducted throughout the academic year. As we come online to the inaugural program, I take this opportunity to welcome our Head of Institution, Honorable Principal Dr. R.S. Bitskar sir, Honorable Vice Principal Dr. Sudhir Lande sir, respected deans, respected head of various departments, faculties, parents, and dear students. Every program starts with the blessings of Ma Saraswati. So I request you all to proceed for virtual lamp lighting and Saraswati Pujan.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरवर्णिनी नित्यं पद्मालयां देवी सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा सतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Thank you. It has been our tradition that we felicitate the topper students in first year academics. To do this, I cordially invite and hand over the responsibility of this felicitation program to Professor Deepak Sonawne sir. Over to you, Sonawne sir.
Thanks a lot, madam. A very good morning to all. Respected principal, vice principal, all deans, HODs, my fellow colleagues, and dear students along with their parents. I once again welcome all the first year students in this institute, now in virtual mode, but you can see how beautiful our college VPKBIT is, and I offer all the best for your coming 4 years. So here I am going to discuss a little about the prosperous results during the previous academic years. Before that, I want to tell one thing, that education is the most powerful weapon that one can use to change our nation. This is another quote given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And here, now with your academic year has been 21-22, I will like to give little glimpses of the previous year academic year, that means 2021. So I think you are able to see, yes, you are able to see the results These are the results for 5 previous years, and year after year we have been improving. You can see during the academic year 2021, 100% promotion is there, means 100% of the students have been promoted into the second year. After that, so many distinctions, subject toppers. If you see the subject toppers of the various subjects offered in second semester, so this is engineering mathematics 2, and so many students, 74 students scored 100 out of 100 marks in engineering mathematics 2. So this is the list. It is a very much steady job to read the names of all these toppers, subject toppers. So I am going to give some glimpses. Another subject is engineering physics, in which there are 6 students have scored out of marks. In chemistry, 7 students scored 100 S, and in all the subjects, 100 out of 100 marks have been there. The next subject is basic electronics engineering, 109 students have scored 100 out of 100 marks. After that, in basic electrical engineering, 4 students have scored out of marks. In engineering mechanics, 31 students have scored out of marks. Programming and problem solving, this is another paper relating to computer programming. 5 students have scored out of marks. Engineering graphics, 26 students have scored out of marks, like that. So this is, if I go back to the PowerPoint presentation, so here we can see this is the top view of our VPKBIT. This is our main building. There is another building also. Okay. So we have discussed a little about this result, and now here we can see that about overall toppers. So I have taken first 2 college rankers. The second college rank has been occupied by 3 students, and one of the students is Surpur Srushti Gangadhar. She has obtained a GPA, sessional grade point average, as 9.93 out of 10. And another second college ranker is Sahuji Sanika Nirmal, again 9.93. One more, second college ranker, Kalate Rohit Hanumant, 9.93 out of 10. Then the first college ranker is Suryoshi Ame Vijay with GPA 9.98 out of 10. And one more, O.R. Udayasinghe Jai Singh, again the first college ranker. There are 2 first college rankers with a score of 9.98 out of 10. So these are the grades. So we can see that the dignity that the first 2 ranks have been occupied by 5 students, and the list is very big. So we have picked just 5 of the first. And during last 2 years, we have initiated the practice of best class, because see, there are 7 branches, and we are distributing 6 different classes, FE1, FE2 until FE6 in absolutely alphabetical order. And then every class consists of students from all the 7 branches. So during last year also, we had kept this prize at the beginning itself, and considering the average attendance of the entire academic year consisting of both the semesters, maybe average attendance, internal exams, university exams, co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, and finally teachers' opinion. We, out of the 6 classes, FE5 class was awarded as the best class. This is little about the performance of the previous academic year. Our results have been always merit-wise, and we can say that we are always topper among all the engineering colleges affiliated to Pune University in regard to the university examination results. So this like previous academic year was also not exception for the same, and we are expecting much more better results from the students of the batch 21-22. So once again, I offer all the best to the first year engineering students, and I give the charge again to Pallavi Bokeh madam. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to listen from the students. If any student want to express his or her views about the academics or want to share experience, you are welcome.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sanika Salji from second year computer science branch. My first year SGPA is 9.93 and my college rank was 2 in first year. I welcome you all on this beautiful journey of new phase of your life. It will be full of new challenges, growth, and ultimate success. There must be lots of questions flashing before you. What is this place? How people will be able to get what I'm searching for? Don't worry. Even when I started, I too had all these questions, but honestly, I got all the answers positively, and I'm sure you all will too. All the first year teachers were cooperative, and in case of any queries, they guided us in the online lectures as well as through messages. As our FE was in online mode, regular lectures were held. Teachers provided us all the study materials and recorded lectures, and used to conduct many practice exams. Also, there were a few technical activities like PowerPoint presentations, which improved our communication skills. I would like to suggest you to connect more with people by participating in every event, be enthusiastic, and shine your way out. Lastly, I wish you all the best on this journey of education and success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sanika.
Anyone? Yes.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Udesi, if possible, start your video. At least for a while.
Okay,
Then
fine.
you can stop video. Yes, please.
Yes, okay. Hi everyone, my name is Uday Singh Pawar. My first year SGPA was 9.98. I was ranked first in our first year engineering examinations. I am going to keep my speech short and sweet. First of all, I would like to thank our beloved teachers for giving me this opportunity to speak. Now, I think every one of you guys have already visited our college during your admission. Some of you might have walked around wanting to see our complete college, and they probably know by now how huge and clean our college campus is. For those who are wondering about the teaching staff and their qualities, I assure you, you have got nothing to worry about. Our teachers are experienced and they know exactly what they need to do to make sure none of you guys will ever face any difficulty regarding studies or other stuff. During our first year, extra lectures were conducted in order to know more about the students because offline classes were not possible at that time. There were plenty of notes and pre-recorded lectures available, which were necessary for us to study for our exams. We never felt that there was a shortage of anything, even though the classes were conducted online. Our college had arranged some counseling sessions for every division. Also, to make sure every student is familiar with the topics such as business, communication skills, many other informative sessions were arranged too. Each group in our class had a mentor. Whenever we had any problem regarding our lectures or studies, we could personally speak to our mentor about the issue and he would always get us a solution. To be honest, I really enjoyed my first day in our college and I'm sure that you will like it too. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Desi. Any other student, if want to share experience?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes.
My name is Srushti Gangadhar Surpul. I secured second rank in first year engineering from computer engineering.
Srushti, you can stop video. Yes.
Yes, sir. Hello, respected teachers and my dear juniors. Myself, Srushti Gangadhar Surpur from second year computer VPKBIT. I secured second rank in first year with CGPA 9.93. A year ago, I was similar in a phase as you are now. I still remember being scared and simultaneously just know more about engineering life. And I found wonderful realism in VPKBIT. I about academics, but our teachers that there is nothing to worry about. Our first year was in online mode. Even in online mode, our teachers taught us very good by using PPTs and Google Meet. And for time to cover our syllabus, but our teacher completed it without skipping anything. Teacher took a lot of practice of examination. Every batch of student was assigned a mentor teacher who guided us about examination and scholarship form filling. Apart from examination, our teacher guided us for NPTEL course and EDX courses, and college provided us EDX courses free. Teacher guided us on various kinds of projects and PPTs, and they took different competitions too. HOD sir guided us for various competitions like hackathon and basic level of internship. Even in online mode, we had a platform called Nabangan to show our creativity in subjects rather than academics. When it's about campus, I bet you won't find any campus as beautiful as ours. As Barry Commoner once said, proper use of science is not to conquer nature, but to live in it. You are going to experience this quote in VP's campus. Being a hostel student, I assure you that hostel and mess of the college are very good. As in a pandemic situation, most of the parents are worried about COVID-19 and Omicron viruses. But in our college, cleaners maintain campus clean and hygienic. In short, being a VPKBITN student, I didn't feel any kind of problem with academics and any other thing. I felt that taking admission in VPKBIT was my great decision. Thank you.
Thank you, Srushti.
Is there anyone?
If anyone want to share his or her experience, you are welcome.
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible.
Yes, audible.
Good morning, everyone. With great honor and pleasure, I welcome you all to VPKBIT Param. I am Amey Suryanshi. I am from second computer.
Amey? Now you switch off.
Yes, sir.
Video switch up केला तर थोडा bandwidth चांगली मिळेल ना. We have seen you, so we have seen your face. Yeah, okay.
So, as you guys are experiencing online mode of education these days, it's been difficult to study with online mode. But our institute provided the best education facilities to us. Even in online mode, they provided every little thing that can improve our learning and our skills as well. Back then, I was also confused at how we gonna deal with this situation in online mode, how we gonna prepare for the examinations and all over the engineering. But the college staff and our faculty made it a lot easier for us, and that is what you are going to experience soon. Our teachers gave their 100% in teaching. Our faculty gave 100% maintaining college proper. And in online it is difficult as proper and study material, but our teachers are amazingly done their job. They provided best study material on respective Google Classroom for each subject, but it be in a particular uh, mentor, a particular mentor. The mentorship of our college is each and every mentor help their student as his guardian. They help us in every problem. Students can directly contact them and get their solution, whether it's related to academics or non-academics. I would like to tell you, in the first year, my mentor was Mr. Vishal Ghosh sir. Helped every difficulty that I have in my first year. Every teacher is your guardian, so don't ever hesitate while asking anything to them. As you visited our college during your admission, it has the best campus among all Pune University colleges out there. The beauty of campus is delightful, especially the maintenance of campus is very neat and clean. Our college conducted many extracurricular activities such as Nabangan 2021 and different types of competitions. They have always encouraged us for extra courses on globally popular platforms like EDX, Coursera to improve our knowledge and improve our resume as well. Even it was hard to conduct extracurricular activities during online mode, but our college faculties and especially our senior were they never lacked in doing impressive work for us. They conducted singing, drama, and even gaming competitions as well. I hope you guys will enjoy more than us, and I am definitely sure you will come out of here as well skilled and good person. Thank you.
Thank you, Amey. If anyone want to share experience,
Madam, I think there is no one now.
okay.
Okay, then proceed.
Yes. Thank you, dear students, Sanika, Udaysingh, Srushti, and Amey for sharing your wonderful experiences. Now, the girls are always a boon for the society and always contribute to build the nation. Today, let me introduce a girl who has motivated us all by being a living example of kindness, adventure, bravery, and selfless service. She participated in National Republic Day Parade at New Delhi on 26 January 2021 as a contingent commander. She has been awarded with Best NSS Volunteer Award by State Government of Maharashtra. It was a really proud moment for all VPKBITs. I'm glad to invite Ms. Rajeshri Mane as an alumna of our institute to share her views on this occasion. Over to you, Rajeshri.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yes.
Good morning to one and all, and I heartily welcome all the juniors as a part of our BPKBIT family. जिथं दोन अक्षर अनंत शब्दांना त्यांच्या असण्याची जाणीव करून देतात आणि जिथे असंख्य वर्णनं कुचकामी ठरतात, जिथे लेखनाची मर्यादा जाणवते, असे दोन शब्द म्हणजे आई आणि गुरु. सर्वप्रथम उपस्थित सर्व मान्यवर आणि गुरुजनांना मी सादर प्रणाम करते. विद्याप्रतिष्ठान संस्था नेहमीच कलागुणांना वाहू देणारी इन्स्टिट्यूट आहे आणि ॲज अ पार्ट ऑफ टेक्निकल स्टुडंट, ॲज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग स्टुडंट, इवन दो आय मला ती अपॉर्च्युनिटी मिळाली की मी माझ्या एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्ये पार्टिसिपेट करून माझ्या कॉलेजला आणि माझ्या इन्स्टिट्यूटला अँड इव्हन महाराष्ट्राला रिप्रेझेंट करेल नॅशनल लेवलवरती. जसं की आता बऱ्याच स्टुडंट्सने अकॅडमिक रेकॉर्ड कॉलेजचं सांगितलं, त्याचप्रमाणे या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर ऍक्टिव्हिटीजसाठी सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स आहेत. ज्या तुमच्या हॉबीज आहेत त्यामधून पण तुम्ही पुढे जाऊन काहीतरी अचीव्ह करू शकता. अशा गोष्टींना नेहमीच इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये प्राधान्य दिलं जातं. त्याचं उत्तम उदाहरण म्हणजे इव्हन अकॅडमिक सोबत तुम्हाला सोशल सर्व्हिस, सोसायटीसाठी, नेशनसाठी आणि राष्ट्रप्रेमाची भावना तुमच्यामध्ये यावी यासाठी आपल्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये नॅशनल सर्व्हिस स्कीम हा अंडर ग्रॅज्युएशन सोबतचा कोर्स आहे 2 इयर्सचा, ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही एनरोल करून या विविध ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्ये आणि राष्ट्राच्या जडणघडणीमध्ये स्वतःचा खारीचा वाटा देऊ शकता. याच प्रवासाची सुरुवात माझी 3rd इयर मध्ये असताना झाली होती. दीपक सोनवणे सर आणि जगदाळे सर हे नॅशनल सर्व्हिस स्कीमचे प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर्स आहेत आपल्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये आणि तुम्ही तुमच्या 4 इयर्सच्या ड्युरेशन ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये 2 वर्षासाठी कोणत्याही 2 वर्षासाठी एनरोल करू शकता नॅशनल सर्व्हिस स्कीम मध्ये. नॅशनल सर्व्हिस स्कीम मध्ये तुम्ही एनरोलमेंट झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला वेगवेगळ्या अपॉर्च्युनिटीज डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, देन युनिव्हर्सिटी लेवल, स्टेट लेवल अँड नॅशनल लेवल अँड इव्हन इंटरनॅशनल पर्यंतही जाण्याचं तुम्हाला त्यातून संधी मिळते. माझा अनुभव सांगता, आम्ही डिसेंबर मध्ये स्पेशल कॅम्प केला होता आणि देन आफ्टर कोविड पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन आली. बट इव्हन पॅन्डेमिक त्याच्यानंतर RD परेड साठी मला आपल्या इन्स्टिट्यूट कडून नॉमिनेट करण्यात आलं युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये. त्यानंतर युनिव्हर्सिटी मधून सिलेक्शन राऊंड नंतर माझी आपल्या स्टेट टीम मध्ये सिलेक्शन झालं आणि देन महाराष्ट्र अँड गोवा कंटिजंट वेस्ट झोन परेड कॅम्प नंतर दिल्लीमध्ये पाठवण्यात आलं. मग दिल्लीमध्ये ऑल इंडियातून मुलं आली, ज्याच्यामध्ये 200 मुलांनी पार्टिसिपेट केलं. त्याच्यामधून 100 जणांचा प्लाटून 26 जानेवारीच्या दिवशी NSSचा राजपथावर परेडसाठी चालला आणि मला अभिमानाने सांगावंसं वाटतं की या प्लाटूनचा कंटिजंट कमांडर नेतृत्व करण्याची संधी मला या इन्स्टिट्यूट मधून मिळाली. त्याच नंतर मला नॅशनल माझा RD झाला. त्याच्यानंतर मला युथ एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम थ्रू मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ युथ अफेअर्स अँड स्पोर्ट्स यांच्या थ्रू इंटरनॅशनल डेलिगेशन पण भेटलेलं आहे, जे की आता कोविड पॅन्डेमिकमुळे डिले होत आहे. आणि त्याच्याच नंतर महाराष्ट्र शासनाचा उत्कृष्ट स्वयंसेवक 2020-21 हा पण पुरस्कार मिळाला. सांगायचं एवढंच आहे मला की जसं लहानपणी चित्र रंगवताना बऱ्याचदा रंगीत खडू तुटतो आपल्याकडून, म्हणून आपण ते चित्र रंगवायचं सोडत नाही. तसंच पॅन्डेमिक असू दे, ऑनलाईन कॉलेज असू दे और ऑफलाईन कॉलेज असू दे, येणाऱ्या प्रत्येक संधीचं सोनं करून घेण्याची तुमची तयारी जर असेल तर या कॉलेजमधून तुम्हाला योग्य ते मार्गदर्शन योग्य वेळी मिळेलच. अकॅडमिक सोबतच तुम्ही तुमचे हॉबीज जपले पाहिजे. तुमच्या कलागुणांना पुढे चालत तुम्ही एक चांगला इंजिनियर तर होणारच आहे, त्यात वादच नाही, दुमतच नाही या इन्स्टिट्यूट मधून. पण तुम्ही एक चांगला माणूस म्हणूनही समाजात पुढे यावं या इन्स्टिट्यूटचा मोटो आहे. इथे ना मला एक गोष्ट सांगावीशी वाटते की एक राजा होता, त्याचं फार मोठं साम्राज्य होतं. त्या साम्राज्यामध्ये त्याने प्रत्येकाला ठराविक जमिनी दिल्या होत्या आणि सांगितलं होतं की तुम्ही या जमिनींमध्ये वृक्ष लागवड करा आणि त्या वृक्षांचं संगोपन करा. या गोष्टीला बरीच वर्ष झाल्यानंतर राजा त्याच्या पूर्ण मंत्रिमंडळासोबत राज्याचा फेरफटका मारायला निघाला. फेरफटका मारायला निघाल्यानंतर त्याला एक चंदनाची 50 एकराची बाग दिसली. त्या बागेचं अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने वाढ झाली होती. मग राजाने त्या गावकऱ्यांना विचारलं असता त्या गावकऱ्यांनी सांगितलं की आमच्या गावामध्ये असा एक लोहार आहे आणि तो त्या बागेचं संगोपन करतो. मग राजाने ती बाग त्या लोहाराला बक्षीस पत्र म्हणून दिली की तू या बागेचं संगोपन कर, अतिशय उत्तम पद्धतीने केलंय, ही आजपासून तुझी आणि यातून येणार उत्पन्न तुझं. आता लोहाराचा व्यवसाय आपल्याला माहिती आहे. लोहार काय करतो तर धातूंपासून अवजार बनवतो, हत्यार बनवतो. मग त्याला सगळ्यात जास्ती प्रमाणात लागणारी गोष्ट म्हणजे काय, तो कोळसा. आता त्या लोहाराच्या विचार कक्षेत एकच गोष्ट की झाडांपासून मिळतं लाकूड, लाकडापासून बनवणार आपण कोळसा आणि त्याचा आपल्याला अतिशय फायदा आपली अवजारं बनवण्यासाठी होईल. पण झालं असं की पुढच्या 5 वर्षानंतर जेव्हा राजाने परत त्या राज्याचा फेरफटका मारला तर त्याला ती चंदनाची बाग तिथे जाणवलीच नाही. तो राजा त्या लोहाराच्या घरी गेला. पाहता तो लोहार त्याच घरात, तशीच त्याची साधारणतः परिस्थिती, मुलं खेळतायत, छोटीशी झोपडी आणि त्याचं ते दैनंदिन जीवनजन्य काम चालू होतं. तो त्याची अवजारं त्याने तो भाता पेटवला. त्याच्यावर ठोके घालत घालत तो त्याची अवजारं बनवत होतो. राजाने पाहिलं असता राजाला जाणवलं की एवढी मोठी चंदनाची बाग तर अस्तित्वात होती. आता त्या बागेत झाडं तर दिसत नाहीयेत आणि याची परिस्थितीही सुधारलेली दिसत नाही. यावर तो लोहार म्हणाला, राजाने विचारता लोहार म्हणाला की राजाजी, जसं की आपल्याला माहितीये मी काय केलं, लाकडाची तर किती कमतरता जाणवतीये राज्यात, तर मी काय केलं की ती मी बाग सांभाळली, जोपासली आणि त्याचा उपयोग माझ्या अवजारा बनवण्यासाठी कोळशासाठी केला. मग राजाने विचारलं की तुझ्याकडे त्या बागेतला एखादा लाकूड उरलंय का? तर तो म्हणला हो उरलंय, या अवजाराला जो मी बसवलंय लाकूड ते त्याच बागेतलंय. मग राजाने ते लाकूड घेतलं आणि एका मोठ्या बाजारपेठेत गेला आणि एका व्यापाऱ्याला हे लाकूड दाखवून विचारले की या लाकडाची किंमत. जसं की आपल्याला सर्वांना माहितीये सगळ्यात महाग आणि सगळ्यात किंमत असणारं लाकूड कोणतं, तर ते चंदनाचं. राजाने विचारलं, व्यापाऱ्याने सांगितलं याची किंमत तर लाखोत आहे. पण विचार कक्षेच्या पलीकडे विचार न केल्याने झालेल्या नुकसानापासून त्या लोहाराला समजलं की एवढ्या अमूल्य किमतीच्या लाकडाचं आपण काय केलं तर शेवटी त्याचा कोळसा केला. या सांगण्याचं तात्पर्य हेच आहे की संसाधनांची उपलब्धता असून चालत नाही, त्याला मार्गदर्शन देणारं आणि त्या विचार कक्षेच्या बाहेर जाऊन विचार करून त्यातून स्वतःचा आणि किंबहुना आपल्या समाजाला फायदा करून देण्याचा विचार आपल्यामध्ये असेल तर आपण एका अनन्यसाधारण गोष्ट करू शकतो. जरी लोहाराला लाकूडचा कोळसा मिळाला, त्याचं तिथं काम भागलं, परंतु त्या चंदनाची किंमत लाखोत असताना तो याहून अधिक सुंदर काहीतरी काम करू शकत होता, स्वतःची प्रगती करू शकत होता. हे त्याच्या विचाराची कमतरता असल्यामुळे त्याला जाणवलं नाही. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, a man is nothing but a product of his own thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. त्याच्यामुळे आपण आपल्या विचारांच्या कक्षा रुंदवायला हव्यात आणि आपल्या शैक्षणिक ज्ञानाबरोबरच आपली नीतिमूल्य आणि अशा अनन्यसाधारण गोष्टींचा विचार करत समाजाच्या प्रगतीसोबत आपली स्वतःची आणि आपल्या राष्ट्राच्या प्रगतीचाही विचार करायला हवा. आणि याची अतिशय उत्कृष्ट संधी तुम्हाला जर शैक्षणिक जीवनात मिळत असेल तर ती म्हणजे नॅशनल सर्व्हिस स्कीम आहे. मी आपल्या या व्यासपीठाच्या माध्यमातून मी आपल्या सर्वांना अशी विनंती करते की आपल्या शैक्षणिक लाईफ सोबतच आपण अशा ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्येही आपल्या म्हणजे पालकांनी आपल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना प्रोत्साहन देऊन अशा कोर्सेसला जॉईन करावं आणि विद्यार्थ्यांनीही अशा कोर्सेसमध्ये पार्टिसिपेट करून काहीतरी कम्युनिटीसाठी करण्याचा प्रयत्न करावा. एवढं बोलून मी इथेच थांबते आणि मला नेहमीच माझ्या कॉलेजचा अभिमान आहे आणि किंबहुना कॉलेजलाही माझ्यावर असाच अभिमान यापुढेही राहावा असे प्रयत्न मी करत राहील आणि माझ्या इन्स्टिट्यूटचं नाव देशभरात याच पद्धतीने पोहोचवत राहील आणि यापुढेही जे काही माझे आपले ज्युनियर्स आहेत तेही असं अनन्यसाधारण काम करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतील अशी आशा व्यक्त करते आणि इथेच थांबते. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.
Thank you, Rajeshri. Your valuable information about NSS and guidance will definitely inspire all of our students.